Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. I have quite the history in the industry since 2001, and I've put out a few books on windows and doors as educational material to try to help clients struggling for getting the right information. I want to keep this one actually short. It just has to do, if you have a brick home or any application where above the window or doors you have what's called a steel lintel. Google steel lintel if you don't know what it is, so that you have the window running up, you have the steel lintel here, and when you cap around a window, some clients think that you should cap here the steel lintel. And one reason is when you go to a lot of homes, this is rusted. Now most of the time it's surface rust, and all it needs to be do is sand it down a little bit, maybe repaint it, spray it with some Rust-Oleum, whatever. But the reason you don't want to cap over that steel lintel is with the right dew point and humidity, you're going to get condensation forming up there in that cavity, and it's going to exacerbate and speed up the rusting process of the steel lintel. And once that steel lintel gets rusted enough or starts to rust through, it gets weak. Then you'll have to have a mason out to actually, I don't know how they do it, I don't know if they have to cut brick out or what they do, but they're going to have to replace that steel lintel because now it's too far gone and you're not going to be able to sand and repaint it anymore. So do not have a company cap over that steel lintel just to make it look nicer because you may have a little bit of surface rust. Do the right thing, and either you do it or pay somebody to do it, get that surface rust off of there, and just repaint it and recoat it and keep it from rusting to start with. Anyway, that's the video for the day. Don't cap over your steel lintels. Anyway, I'm Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Thank you so much for watching.